So Sn is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is the formula what we have. Now n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This Sn formula is what you are adding first n terms. In between terms you can't add here. Listen, in between terms you cannot add. Okay, so in the AP, if you are making n is equal to 10, that means think 2 it starts somewhere, it goes like this. You have the 10th term. So until the first 10th term, first 10 terms you can add. In between terms you cannot add in the Sn formula. Okay, n will indicate how many terms you are adding. So if it is 10, you are adding first 10 terms. If it is 20, you are adding first 20 terms. Okay, so Sn is the formula to add the arithmetic progression numbers. Okay, arithmetic progression numbers. So if I am telling n is equal to 10, that means I am able to add first n terms using that formula. Okay, if I am telling n is equal to 20, I will be able to add first 20 terms of this AP. Like that. Okay, I can't add in between terms. I cannot add in between terms in the Sn. Okay, so and what is A? We know it is the first term, D is the difference. Okay, and here if you observe, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or I can write this as a plus a is 2a. No, I can write like this, correct? This formula I can write as a plus a n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d is what? An, correct? So this I can also write it as n by 2 into a plus an. Both are the same. These two are the same. Understood? This formula are the same because a plus n minus 1 into d in this is an. So I can write like this also. If you know the an value, directly you can put here and calculate. Understood? No? So these two are the formulas what we use to find the sum of the first n terms in the. Clear, right? So now we will start with the problems in that. Start with the exercise. Write down the formula, two formulas. Then we will start. Okay. First main. Find the sum of the following APs. The first question, 2, 7, 12, it goes on to 10 terms. Okay, so you have to find sum of 10 terms. That means what? N is equal to 10 here. And A is equal to 2 here in this arithmetic progression. D is equal to 7 minus 2. So D is equal to 5. Okay. So what is Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So Sn is equal to n is what? 10 by 2 into 2 plus n. N is 10. 10 minus 1 into d, that is 5. 2 ones are 2 5s are here. Sn is equal to 5 into 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 5. And here observe, don't add 4 plus 9 and then multiply. First you should do multiplication, then addition. Always remember that. Okay. They call it as board mass rule. No, there what we see is first the division, then the multiplication, like that it goes on. Okay. So first you have to do multiplication, then addition. Don't do addition, then the multiplication. So it is like this. So Sn is equal to 5 into 4 plus 9 5s are 45. So what you will get? 45 plus 4, 49. 5 into 49 is the answer. Third one in this, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 until 200 terms. So you have to add until 100 terms. So A is equal to 0.6 here. D is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6. So D is equal to 1.1. N is equal to 100. So find AN. Okay, you have to find AN. So what is AN formula? AN is equal to, SN, no? You have to calculate sum of the terms. So SN is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So SN will be equal to, what is N here? 100. 100 by 2 into 2 into 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into 1.1. 2 ones are 250s are. SN is equal to 50 into 2 into 0.6, 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. So multiply first, then add. How much you will get? Total 11 point. 11.2. So multiply, you will get that. What is the answer you will get? You will not get? 110.1. Okay, we'll see. Wait. 99 into 1.1, no? So 99. 9981. Then you add. So you'll get 108.1. So SN is equal to 50 into 1.2 plus 108.9. Okay. It is. No. 110.1. So SN is equal to 50 into 110. See how to multiply here later. After multiplying, after one decimal you have to put. After one number, one decimal, no? So after one number you have to put. So 110.1. So multiply, will get the answer. So you will get SN is equal to 5,505. 1 by 15, comma 1 by 12, comma 1 by 10 until to 11 terms. Okay. So we have to find the SN. Okay, until the 11 terms here. So A is equal to 1 by 15. D is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15 here. So what will be the LCM for 12 and 15? 5 3s, 3 I can use. 3 4s are 12, then 3 5s are 15. So no other common number, 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. So 60 is the LCM here. 60 by 12. Okay, so 60 by 12, how much you will get? It is 5. Minus 60 by 15, 4. Okay, so you will get it as 1 by 60, D. Now, SN is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So Sn is equal to n is 11 terms, 11 by 2 into 2 into A is 1 by 15 plus n is 11 minus 1 into D plus 1 by 60. So Sn is equal to 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 10 by 60. Okay, these two I have to take the LCM. Done? Okay. So Sn is equal to 11 by 2 into LCM for 15 and 60, it's 60. 16 by 15 is 4. So 4 into 2, it's 8. Plus 60 by 60 is 1. 1 into 10, it's 10. Okay. So Sn is equal to 11 by 2 into 18 by 60. 2 ones are 2 nines are here.
99 by 60 and then it becomes 33 by.
Correct. 99 by 60. So this I can divide by 3. 33 by 20. So Sn is equal to 33 by 20. Now, second main, first question. Find the sum of the given below. First one, 7 plus 10, 1 by 2 plus 14 plus until 84 you should add. This is a given thing. Okay. So here they have not given the n terms, number of terms, correct? But the last term will be the an here. How many terms you have added? Last term will be the an. Okay. So what you have to do, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an I can take. What we discussed first. Huh? So n, how many terms we don't know here. So you have to calculate that. Still we don't know n. So we have to calculate it. A we know it is 7 and an we know it is 84. So first calculate n. An is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into D. The last term will give you how many terms, correct? Until how many terms we have? An is what? 84. That is equal to A is 7 plus n minus 1 into D. What is D here? 10 by 2 means what? 10 2s are 20, 21 by 2.
7 by 2.
7
by 2.
7 by 2. Yes. Okay. 21 by 2 minus 7. So what you will get here? 21 minus 7 2s are 14. So 7 by 2 you will get. So D will be 7 by 2. Okay. Difference 10 by 2 minus 7. 10 by 2 I can write it as 21 by 2. So 21 by 2 minus 7 you will get 7. LCM I have taken and separate. Okay. Now 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7, how much I will get? 77 I will get. 77 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. 2 I can shift to the other side. 77 into 2 is equal to n minus 1 into 7, or n minus 1 is 77 into 2 by 7. So 22 I will get. N is equal to 23. Now this substitute the n value and find this. Third one. Minus 5. Now A is equal to minus 5. An is equal to minus 230. D is equal to here minus 8 minus of minus 5. So D is equal to minus 3. So you should find the n and you should find Sn. Okay, these two you should find that. So first find n. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is minus 230 So that is equal to A is minus 5 plus N minus 1 into D. D is minus 3. Okay. Once listen this, any simplification if you will understand. So here minus 5, if I shift to the other side, minus 5 will become plus 5. So minus 230 plus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So how much you will get here? Minus 225. That is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3 divided by minus 3 again. Okay. Correct, no? Anywhere we have done mistake. No mistake. So, if I divide, how much I will get? Minus by minus is plus. 3 ones are 7 threes are 21. So 15, 5 threes are 15. Huh. So n minus 1 is 75, n is equal to 76. Same thing you people got, we have this one. Next you should find s. N by 2 into a plus a. Okay. So Sn is equal to n here is 76 by 2 into an is 5 plus an. An is minus 230. 2 ones are here. 6 means 3. 38 you will get. So Sn is equal to 38 into minus 235. This will be the first question. Given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, An is 50. So find N and Sn. N is 16 you are getting. Okay. So you should find Sn. So what is Sn here? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Anyway, we have already know n, right? So we can just write an here. So Sn is equal to 16 by 2 into 5 plus 50. 5 ones are 2 ones are 2 eights are. Sn is 8 into 50. You also got 16. This will be that. If you finish, do this next one. So A is equal to 7, A 13 is 35. Find D and S 13. Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.